can always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. We're gonna go ahead and talk about some upcoming releases. Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. We're gonna go ahead and talk about some upcoming releases. There's a lot of sneakers coming out, and honestly, I want to go ahead and talk about them. This video is by Addict. They are gonna be releasing their 3.0 version of the bot soon, and I am gonna talk about some little leaks. But if y'all do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Yo, before we get started, go ahead and check out Nori Archives. I've been posting on there like crazy. I already know the vibes. Low-key, I've been posting every day on that shit, so go ahead and just, hey, see what cool content I got going on there. It doesn't really have to do with Supreme, but I just feel like it's artsy. The first thing I want to talk about is the fact that Kaws is collabing with Reese's Puffs. Some were already seen on shelves yesterday, so they're actually in stores. Kaws Reese's collab is actually happening. Hey, I actually think it's cool. I have the Travis version, and I also do have the Lil Yachty version, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and pick up one of these boxes. I'm not gonna go crazy on these, you feel me? Might pick one up just for the little artsy vibe or whatever. We also do have the Kaws Human Made collab, which was actually fire. I do know that the retail for that collab was actually a little bit higher, you feel me? So hey, I don't know about all that. It did release on October 16th, so I'm not really gonna talk about it too much. But there's another color of the Pada, however you say it, Air Max 1s in this bluish with the cream color. Honestly, I like this color more than the OG color they released. I like this whole wavy vibe it has going on. I don't know, let me know what y'all have to say about these. I love that turquoise color, especially with that vintage midsole. It just gives that 90s vibe type shit, and I do think that these are hard. There's actually another colorway, burgundy with the orange and the gray, only that this time instead of it being suede, it's actually a leather with like this mesh material on the inside. Different vibe, to be honest, and I do wish that this wine color was a little bit more of a darker burgundy color, almost like a Bordeaux. I feel like I would have liked that a little bit more. I would go ahead and just stick to these blue ones. The blue with the gray mesh goes crazy. This is a clean Air Max 1. I don't have any in my collection, and if I was to get a pair, it probably would be these right here. You got the vermilion red Yeezy foam runners, you feel me? The Croc vibes, Red October joints. Hey, these supposed to be coming soon for $80 retail. Make sure you keep your eyes peeled on Adidas confirmed, because these are going to be on there and on Yeezy supply. Just stay tuned. Retail's $80, but I feel like this colorway is going to be worth something. There's this pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows in this mocha and white reversed color. These definitely go hard. It's almost like the OG lows that he dropped, but reversed with this white color instead of like the black. Honestly, really think about it, the black pair was just, instead of the white, it was black suede, and I feel like this white with the mocha honestly isn't bad at all. Solid pair of sneakers, and whenever these release, they're gonna resell for some beans. These were actually seen worn on his daughter Stormy, so I feel like these probably will be releasing. Who knows? Make sure you go ahead and keep your eyes peeled for that. But I do want to talk about Addict and the fact that they just announced their 3.0 update, which is gonna revolutionize iOS botting. They're gonna be adding a ton of new features, but you can expect monitor alerts and raffle releases to be added, which will allow you to monitor the most hyped sneakers and clothing. That way you can enter each raffle for these latest releases. They're gonna be improving all sites from Shopify, Yeezy to Supreme, so that 3.0 ensures more users' success. Something big that Addict is adding is NFT. They're actually going to be having an NFT segment on the bot. If any of you guys aren't familiar with NFTs, I would definitely recommend you to go ahead and check it out. Profits are honestly remarkable in that market, and it's honestly easy for anyone to get started. It's something that I might go ahead and do, so I'm really interested in this feature, keeping you guys updated as well as myself on any of these new mints and upcoming projects, allowing you to monitor floor prices. You could even can view trending collections and see what big investors are buying. That way you could kind of get acquainted. Adding this feature is honestly a big change because a lot of resellers have been shifting towards NFTs. There's a lot of money to be made. Copies for 3.0 are actually going to be really exclusive. So to have the best chances at grabbing a copy, make sure you head over to Addict.io. The link will be in the description for you guys to go ahead and check them out. You also get access to their Discord group, which is full of information like reselling leaks, sneakers updates, or if there's like a shock drop or whatever, they'll tell you to go to the drop and see what's up with it. There's raffles on there, keywords for supreme releases. They have a YouTube channel with more specific guides. Creating tasks honestly takes around 30 seconds or so. It's not too crazy. Like, it's really simple, extremely user friendly. I'm trying to tell y'all. Best thing about Addict is that they have no renewal fees. This means you keep Addict forever. So once you purchase the bot, it's free for a lifetime. They usually update within a weekly basis to make sure that the bot is maintained and running up to par. With Addict, you have the option to use Sezzle to split your payment into 4 separate payments, which is helpful. It can make it a little bit easier on the pocket. Addict is a great investment to allow you to make a lot of profit. There's a bunch of releases every month, and trust me, bro, you're gonna hit on something. Just keep trying and you will hit. Don't forget to click the link in the description. Go on addict.io, sign up for their newsletter. That way, whenever they do release 3.0, you guys are notified. Let's go ahead and talk about a couple more releases, then we'll get straight up out the building. So right here, we got these blue and white dunks. We don't have any official date on these right here, but they're looking kind of clean, you feel me? I do like the tones of blue on this. If the darker blue was a suede, this honestly would have been nasty. It's still kind of fire, don't get it twisted, but you feel me? I feel like there's a ton of dunk colorways, so I can't just go ahead and pay resale for these. I just can't see myself doing it, you feel me? But these are hard though. Remind me of the Kentuckys in a way, kind of different. I do like that other tone of blue on the toe box as well. Let me know what you guys think about those. We have the military black Jordan 4s. These are basically the military blues, but with the black. Honestly, I'm such a big fan of the military blues that I can't love these. I need the military blues in my collection again. These are hard though, don't get it twisted. I do like that black, and I feel like what makes the military Jordan 4 is the blue, bro. Like, let's be realistic. The black one is hard though. I still like it because it has that grayish mud guard type thing. It changes it a little bit. But let me know what y'all think about these in the comments below. I feel like these are actually kind of fire, but I have an affinity for the military blue Jordan 4, so I can't do that, you feel me? Like, I need those first. If I have those by the time this releases and I still want these, then I get it, you feel me? But I can't get these wanting those, if that makes sense. Let me know if y'all agree with me in the comments below. Those are hard though. You just need the military blues first. Yo, we got this Virgil New Era fitted collaboration. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, I don't know what the fuck is going on. This one looks kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie. This design right here is cool with the little quotations on the baseball shit. That's fire, right? But then there's this other shit that recently released that wasn't this. The new shit had like a fucking hole right here on the fucking brim. Like, bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why you putting a whole hole? Like, it's not even like a little punch out to bit the whole side of your hat. Like, nah. And that shit's probably even more expensive just because Virgil put his little sauce on it. But in this case, it's ass, bro. Like, this shit is so ass. Like, do something different, bro. We gonna end it on that, bro. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, bro. Like, come on, y'all already know the vibes. Like, subscribe. 20K is around the way. We're grinding for this 20K, and then from there we straight up, bro. So go ahead and keep subscribing. Let's keep running it up. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all. Yo, check out Nori Archives, bro. Check out Nori Archives, bro. It's right here. Come on, just check out Nori Archives. That's all y'all need to do. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.
They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.